So we're up here in northern Idaho. We're gonna be chasing rainbow trout and smallmouth bass. We'll be throwing a bunch of rooster tails. But on top of that, we're gonna be using the Water Soluble Pro Cure. So we've got some Anise Plus with UV flash. We've got the Rooster Tail Trophy Trout Spray. And then we've got the shrimp oil with the UV flash as well. So we've got kind of 3 different presentations. All of these are water soluble scents. So that means you can spray them on anything with hair jigs, rooster tails, any of those things that you want to move in the water and pulse. This won't mat that down like the gel does. So put this on about every 10, 15 minutes, and it'll fish real good for you. So we're gonna chase some fish today. Stay tuned.